Okay, what is the goal of comparison shopping? Simple. The comparison shopping is a process of comparing products or services to obtain the best buy. You want to get the quality and features that you want. And in today's world, that can be kind of difficult because, like when you're different vehicles, the vehicles typically come with packages. So the package may have a whole lot of features that we don't necessarily need. So what's involved in comparison shopping for a safe vehicle? Check the safety test results at NHTSA.gov, National Highway Transportation Safety Administration.gov. Consider a vehicle with extra safety features. Check on safety recalls at safecar.gov. So why are lease payments lower than loan payments for the same vehicle? Because you're renting the vehicle instead of buying. You're only paying for the portion of the vehicle that you use. How we choose between a low interest rate and a rebate. Run the numbers. So you have to compare the cost of the higher price vehicle with the lower rate to the lower price vehicle with the financing you've obtained on your own. What's the relationship between capital costs reduction, and residual value in a lease? So capital costs is the cost of the vehicle to the dealer, gross versus net. So gross includes everything. Net is the gross minus the capital cost reductions. The capital cost reductions include trade-in or any down payment that you might make. Residual value is the value of the vehicle at the end of the lease. So, as I mentioned, most leases are closed in. So, if you follow the terms of the lease, you're not going to be responsible for any difference in value. Pitfalls of leasing. Avoid paying money up front. Avoid paying upside down with gap insurance. Paying maintenance. Leases that are too long. Having to pay for driving extra miles. Paying full market price for repairs. Sometimes dealers will try to require you to pay a reconditioning charge when you turn the vehicle in. What's the difference between an implied warranty and an express warranty? An implied warranty is required by the law that ensures that the item is of fair and reasonable quality and suitable for sale. Express warranty is a written warranty. It should offer additional protection. The products sold as is are an exception to the implied warranty. And if you notice when you go to a used car lot that almost every vehicle on that lot will have a piece of paper taped to the windshield that says "as is." So they're basically voiding the implied warranty. Disadvantage of a service contract or extended warranty. Extended warranty goes beyond the expiration of the regular warranty, usually for a price. Extended warranties are usually overpriced, so be wary of that. Okay, we'll start next lecture with negotiate price and interest rate.